In today's video, I'm going to teach you manage keyboard shortcuts in YouTube. If you've ever wanted to control YouTube faster without constantly reaching for the mouse, this is for you. We'll open the built-in list of shortcuts so you can see exactly what's available and how they're organized, all right inside YouTube on your desktop browser. Start by heading to YouTube in your browser. Look to the top right corner of the page for the account menu. This is the circular profile icon, and depending on your settings, it might show your photo or a generic avatar. Click it once to open the drop-down. This menu is where YouTube keeps quick links to your channel, settings, and importantly, the keyboard shortcuts reference. Next, in that drop-down, click on Keyboard Shortcuts. This opens a dedicated panel that lists all the available commands. Think of it as your cheat sheet. It's searchable, it's grouped by category, and it's the official source for what works right now. You'll typically see sections for playback, captions, navigation, playlist control, and more. It's a great place to learn or refresh what each key does. A few quick orientation tips while you're looking at the panel. YouTube shortcuts often depend on where your cursor and focus are. If you're typing in the search bar or a comment box, shortcuts may not trigger because the keystrokes go to that text field. Click once on the video player to bring focus back if something doesn't respond. Also, some keys behave slightly differently across browsers or keyboard layouts, so treat this panel as the definitive guide for your setup. As you scan the list, you'll notice popular options such as play and pause, jumping forward or backward, toggling mute, enabling captions, changing playback speed, and entering or exiting full screen. There are also numerical shortcuts that jump to a percentage of the video and options for frame-by-frame stepping when the video is paused. These can dramatically speed up your workflow, especially if you review tutorials, lectures, or long-form content. One important note: YouTube currently doesn't let you remap these keys inside this panel. It's a reference, not a customization tool. Managing them, in this context, means knowing what's available, adopting the ones that fit your habits, and practicing them until they're second nature. That's it. Click the account menu, choose keyboard shortcuts, and you have everything you need to master YouTube's built-in controls. Spend a minute with that list, pick a few that match how you watch, and you'll navigate videos faster and more confidently every time.